Now I'm going to show you that Caddie can convert a PDF file to a drawing file, but that need to be a vector PDF file. Now, there's a difference between a vector PDF and a raster PDF. A vector PDF file means in some CAD system, doesn't matter any CAD system, you've created a sheet, you've created a print, or you save to a PDF. Now, that is what we call a vector PDF. A raster PDF is when you take a hard copy and you take it to a scanner and you scan it to a PDF. That is a raster PDF. Now, there's a difference between the two. The vector PDF, we can import it and change it to a drawing by doing the following. So, in my model space, I've got my drawing. On my sheet, I've got my viewport. So now I'm going to either print to a PDF or you can save to a PDF. You can export to a PDF file. In this case, I'm going to print to a PDF and I'm going to hit print. Now, once it's created, I'm just going to open it here on the side. There's my PDF file. So this is now a vector PDF. So now I'm going to show you how to import this PDF file into your Caddie by just doing the following. I'm going to go to a new file. And the command we're going to use is under File, Insert, and you'll see there's an option that says Convert PDF to Drawing and Insert. If it was a raster PDF file, that's the one where I mentioned that you take it to a scanner, you scan it, that is a raster PDF. Then you can make use of the command that says Insert PDF Underlay, because then you can only trace that raster PDF. But I know we've created a vector PDF, so this is the command that I'm going to introduce to you. So you're going to click on the command, Caddie will ask us to browse to that PDF. I'm going to indicate the PDF, I'm going to say open, Caddie give me a preview of that PDF, okay, run through the settings, you're going to say OK, F4, and there's my PDF. So if I zoom in, now you'll notice that your lines will be lines, as you can see, polyline 1, over there, maybe that your dotted lines will be break up in single individual lines. Some of your text will display as mtext, some of the text can display as a hatch itself, but at least you can work with it, you can delete it, you can draw new lines. Let's go polyline S for snap. As you can see, you get signal. So at the end of the day, yes, we can convert a PDF file to a drawing file, but it needs to be a vector PDF.